How to fix hidden album missing on your iPhone. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down until you find the Apps section and tap on it. Now you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your iPhone. Scroll down until you find the Photos app and tap on it. Inside the Photos settings page, look for an option called Show Hidden Album. If this toggle is turned off, your hidden album becomes completely invisible inside the Photos app, which is why it seems like it disappeared. Simply enable the Show Hidden Album option. After doing that, close the Settings app and reopen the Photos app on your iPhone. Now go to the Collections section and scroll all the way down until you reach the Utilities category. If the Utilities section is collapsed, tap on it to expand the list You should now see the hidden album appearing alongside options like recently deleted and duplicates. Keep in mind that for privacy and security reasons, your iPhone will still require Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode before showing the hidden photos and videos inside the album. So those are the steps to fix the hidden album not showing up on iPhone. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorial videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.